Oh, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle of today in today's newspaper of Friday. No, not Friday, it's still Wednesday. Wednesday, July the 14th, 2021. And I've told you earlier, the lockdown is coming back because the number of infected people are increasing. So lockdown is coming back, and a little bit sad because you can not go or travel anywhere because there are restrictions. So let's continue with the four stars tectonic. That's the only thing we can do. Solving puzzles for killing the time. Yes, killing the time. This one will be 3098. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. You cannot tell. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? The single boxes are always a 1. I see here the single box is a 1. They also a single box is a 1. Do we see here any double boxes? I see here double box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we see any triple boxes? No. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box. If we see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that this box is always a 5. Alright. This L shape with 4 boxes. This box, the inside box, is always a 5. You cannot tell for a L shape with 5 boxes. You cannot say this is also a 5. It's not true. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape. Remember that this box, wait, this box is the same number as that box. So okay, more of these kind of shapes. Here another one, but upside down. This box is the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes. Here, rotated. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. More. Yeah, another one here. We have a 5 here. This box should be also a 5. Okay. Another figure. How about this L shape? Yeah. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape, but rotated. This box has always the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then, the Z construction. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Wait. Yeah. This box, same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the figures or the shapes that you... Oh, wait. No. This one I have already used. Yeah, those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, there are 4, but there are more of other shapes that you need to recognize. Then the following stage is start filling the numbers. Yes. So here we have a 1. So those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. And that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I fill a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4 in this L shape. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Okay. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. But we see here 3. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. It's connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. It's taking too long. Well. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4. No, not a 4. Let me think. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this one is not easy. I believe. I think this box should be a... No, not... Don't think too much. 2. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. So this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. So one digit left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1 in the same area. Cannot should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 5. Then those 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5, but I already have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now I have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can it be a 3 anymore? That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. We have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 2. Alright. So So this box cannot be A4, that box cannot be A4, so the 4 should be in one of those 3 boxes. Okay, so 5 we have here, 3 we have here, and 4 we have here, so the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2 as a pair. Okay, well, that means that this box cannot be a 3, 4, or 5. Because we have a 3, 4, and 5 here. So it must be the 1 or the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Then. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 3. Yeah, the 5 and the 3. But we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box should be also 5. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 numbers cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 1. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. In this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 4 stars, I need to be faster than... No. For 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. If there are any requests of the other puzzles, just leave a comment in the section below. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, see you very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.